Hey guys, John with Muldoon's Transmissions. I have a tech tip for the 2019 and up 68 RFE valve bodies. It pertains to the lockup solenoid and how to generate the 46 character code needed when you're relearning your transmission. Alright, if we look at our 2019 and up 68 RFE valve body, we see the addition of this cast aluminum manifold and a solenoid on the bottom of the valve body. Every solenoid has a unique flow rating, and to produce the code for the flow rating, we need to scan this two-dimensional barcode. In order to do that, we have to go on the App Store and download an app called Scanned It. Once you have the app, open it up on your smart device. I've got it open here on my iPad. Select any code and get your device close to the solenoid. Oh, I gotta clear that one out. And sometimes the lighting needs to be just right. Once the app recognizes the 2D barcode, it will generate this 46 character code. Save this digitally, as sometimes there are zeros and O's next to each other and it can be difficult to decipher. Once you have this saved, input this during your relearn process. And that's how you will enter your pi code for the torque converter solenoid on a 19 and up 68 RFE. Thanks for watching.